Vocabulary. We're going to place that X over the puzzle piece that has integers not in the correct order of least to greatest. So least to greatest, that means smallest to biggest. So I'm going to put small to big. Yeah, smiley face. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. So the first one we have 1, 3, 6, and 10. Are those in order from least to greatest? Well, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, that one's good to go. Star. All right, next let's look over here. 4, 10, 11, and 23. So 4, and then 10, and then 11, yep, and then 23, yep. That one's good to go. Let's take a look. Let's go kind of like this. So 12, 13, yep, and then 18, yep, and then 20. Yep, star that one. So let's hope this last one is wrong. 5 and then 3. Oh, no, we go down. 5 and then 3 and then back up. So that 5 should not be there. That 5 should be in between the 4 and the 8. So we are going to put our X over. Ooh, I guess I could go back to this. We are going to put our X over that first one. Come on. Come on, do a perfect circle. There we go. Perfect. So we are going to put that X over that purple sequence. And that's going to be it for our vocab. Great job.